This video shows how to submit a single-date technology reservation using EMS WebApp. You will need your NetID and password and authenticate with Duo. Log in to EMS. Log in with your NetID and password. Authenticate with Duo. Select Create a Reservation located in the upper left side. There are several reservation templates available. Select CETS Service Request for classes. Click on Book Now, located on the right side. The Room Request window opens. This is where you select the date and time, along with the location. Select the date. Select the start and end times. Enter the location. Select Next Step, located on the upper right side. Select the GPC technology needed. Then click OK. Select Next Step when done. The Reservation Details window opens. This is where you enter specific information to specific questions. Accept the default event name and type, as well as the client type. For First Contact, select Temporary Contact from the drop-down menu. Enter a first contact name and email address. For Are you the professor assigned to teach this class? Choose Yes or No. If No is selected, enter the assigned professor's name or NetID. For Does this request match the assigned start-end times and classroom location in the registrar's schedule of classes? Choose Yes or No. If Yes is selected, enter the class course number. If No is selected, enter a valid registrar's office reservation number. Select your assigned building from the drop-down menu. Enter your assigned room number. Enter information regarding this event. Or, do you require training on any requested educational technology? Choose No or Yes. For, I understand that this is a request, not a confirmation of scheduled service, choose I understand. For, I further understand that after successfully scheduling my request, CETS will update the status to CETS approved and a confirmation email will be sent. Choose I understand. Enter any other information you would like us to know. Then click on Create Reservation, located in the lower right side. From here, you can create another reservation, check the status of your reservations under My Events, or log out. If you have any questions, call us at 202-687-7491, stop by our office in ICC 121, or send us an email at cets@georgetown.edu.